Good day all, especially to Sir Leo Arcayos. Me and Mark Lawrence are here to discuss the effects of the liquids-free surface inside a tank or compartment to the vessel stability.
The free surface effects refers to the adverse impact on the vessel stability caused by liquid sloshing in partially filled tanks or compartments. These movements of liquid shift the vessel's center of gravity, effectively rise and decreasing the righting moment. GZ. This in turn reduces the vessel's ability to return to an upright position after being inclined, potentially leading to increased heel angles and increased risk of capsizing. So, ang vessel effects ko no, surface, adverse impact ng vessel stability. So, dapat ang GG o GG or ang righting moment pati steady ma-reduce ang vessel isang stability. So, para kay kung mo if ma-incline ni siya na may tabo nga ma-capsize ang sa abat.
So next is the picture. I-discuss na to yung picture. Gibutang niya na mo para masabtan yun. Nakabutang ani is partially filled compartment. Sa barko gyud di na mawa ang gravity, metric center o buoyancy katong para balance ang barko naa may sud o wala. So abot na ning tapika kaning the effects of the liquid free surface inside a tank or compartments to the vessel stability. Kanang liquid free siya, kanang wala siya anything kanang mga tubig or basta liquid na wala sa compartment or tank, kay liquid free man siya surface inside a tank or compartment to the vessel stability. So makita na to ani ang metric center, virtual loss of GM, the buoyancy. Kay once na mo na ang barko, mudagan yun na ang gravity, center gravity, metric center o the buoyancy. Bisan pag mudagan ng barko, ngitay nga na mudagan ay takilin siya, mudagan niya sa kilid para mabalance tong tulo ang metric center o metacentric height, center of gravity and the buoyancy. So mo na yung nagpasabot aning picture na gibutang namo ni Mark Lawrence. Unta masabtan ninyo.
How free surface affects stability. So first, shift center of gravity. So when a vessel heels inclines, the liquid in partially filled tanks will shift towards the low sides, effectively raising the vessel above all center of gravity. Second, reduce righting moment. The shift in center of gravity reduces the distance between the center of gravity and the center of buoyancy, which is the righting lever. A smaller GG means less resistance to the heel, making the vessel more prone to capsizing. No, ang rising lever or ang smaller GG means resistance. So, ganyan nga prone siya sa pag-capsize sa barko. So, next is reduce metacentric height, GM. So, the pressure effect also reduces the vessel's metacentric height, GM, which is another measure of stability. A smaller GM means the vessel is less stable. So, ang kamay gani ang GM, so muna siya, vessel is less stable. So, prone siya sa capsizing.
Next, the number 2 factors influencing the free surface effect. Una is the tank volume and area. Muna siya nga ng volume ug area sa tangke. Larger tanks and those with larger horizontal areas are more prone to the free surface effect. Kani ko ng mga dagko nga tangke mo kunoy prone sa free surface effect. Next is the liquid density. Heavier liquids will be a greater impact to the vessel stability. Kanang heavier liquids kuno mo kunoy nakatabang og dakong impact sa vessel stability. Kanang daghan na kayo nga liquid siguro mga bugato na liquid. Next is the heel angle. The angle at which the vessel is inclined will affect the extent of the liquid shift and therefore the free surface effect. Muna ang katong na gingon ni Sir Leo Cayos nga kanang heel na sa ubos sa barko na mo incline siya affect the extent of the liquid will shift kuno na ana na kuan ang free surface effect. Next is the tank compartmentation. Aba nam sultan ni kanang namon ay tagsa-tagsang kompartimento ang mga barko. Dividing large tanks into smaller compartments. I-divide na ang dagko nga tanks sa gagmay-gagmay can help reduce the free surface effect para mabawasan ang free surface effect.
Next is minimizing the free surface effect. So first is fill tanks completely or empty. Ensuring tanks are either completely full or empty. Minimize the potential for slashing. Dapat nyo ang tangke, ang ballast tank. So proper ballasting, balance the weight distribution in the vessel and avoiding excessive free surface effects by properly filling or emptying tanks. So proper balance is the most important. Ang pagkulang kasi dapat ay free surface, labi na long distance ang biyahe niya bawod sa pagkarga. So kailangan dyan punon ang ballast tank. So compartmentation, dividing large tanks into smaller compartments that reduce the free surface effects by limiting the amount of liquid that can move as the vessel heels. So heels ang mga compartmentation, divide na siya o tangke into smaller compartments. So longitudinal bulkheads, installing longitudinal bulkheads between tanks to further reduce the slashing of liquid. So longitudinal bulkheads.
Next, number 4, consequences of ignoring the free surface effect. Increase heel angles. The vessel may heel more dramatically in response to waves or other forces. Muhil siya samot sa balud o unsa pa nga forces o increase iyang heel angle. Inyong i-ignore the free surface effect. Number 2 ay sunod, the reduced stability. Ubos iyang stability. The vessel may be more susceptible to capsizing. Ubos iyang stability good. Sunod, the increased risk of accident. Nadyoy mo increase inyong accident, risk of accident. The free surface effect can contribute to accident at sea. So dili gyud ninyo ignore kay baka aksidente di po nga nila kaning ignore ninyo ang free surface effect. In a summary, the free surface effect is significant factor in vessel stability, and understanding its impact is crucial for safe and efficient navigation according to the IMO. That's the end of our discussion, me and Mark Florence. O naamo gani may mga kuwang ipang sulti abot aning topic karon is which is the effects of the liquids free surface inside a tank or compartments to the vessel stability. Og namin kuwang gipang sulti ani ma-search niyo sa Google nya unta sa among discussion karon nasad mo masabtan og nara may mga kangkuwang nara may makuha mga ubang details sa Google. Mura to and good day all.